Lesson 4.1, First WPF Window. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Greg the Vibe Coder. This is Lesson 4.1, First WPF Window, and this one's special because we're not building a web page and we're not building a console app. We're building a real Windows desktop application. Title bar, button, text box, the whole thing. Most coding sites skip WPF entirely. Not this one. Same 4 steps as always. Let's go. Step 1. Copy the prompt. Here's the prompt for this lesson. Create a WPF application in C#. The window should have a title, My First WPF App. Include a text box where the user types their name, a button labeled Greet Me, and a label below the button. When the button is clicked, update the label to show a friendly, personalized greeting using the name from the text box. Keep the layout clean and centered. Include comments explaining the key parts. That's it. Plain English. I'm copying it now. Step 2. Paste into AI. New chat. Paste. Enter. Now, WPF is a little different from what we've done before. The AI is going to give you 2 blocks of code. One is XAML. That's the visual layout, what the window looks like. The other is C#. That's the logic, what happens when you click the button. Don't mix them up. We'll put each one in the right place in just a second. Step 3. Run the code. Open Visual Studio, click Create a new project. Search for WPF application. Make sure it says C# underneath, not Visual Basic. Name it First Window, hit Create. You'll notice something straight away. There are 2 files in the Solution Explorer, mainwindow.xaml and mainwindow.xaml.cs. That's the WPF way. Layout in one file, logic in the other. Click mainwindow.xaml. Control+A to select everything, delete it. Paste the XAML code from the AI. Now click mainwindow.xaml.cs. Control+A, delete. Paste the C# code. Press F5. There it is, a real Windows application. Title bar, minimize button, text box. I'm going to type my name, Greg, and click Greet Me. That label just updated. That's C# running on your desktop. You didn't type a single line of code. Step 4. Vibe Tweak. Open mainwindow.xaml. We're looking for the background property. It probably says background equals white. Change it to background equals #1E3A5F. That's a deep navy blue. Save, press F5. Same app, same button. Completely different feel, one property. That's all it took. Extra credit. If you want to go further, paste this into your AI. Update the WPF greeting app to also ask for the user's favorite color and a second text box. When the button is clicked, change the background color of the window to the color they typed. Handle invalid color names gracefully. You'll end up with an app that literally repaints itself based on what you type. Great way to see how WPF handles user input and dynamic styling. Reflection. Before you move on, sit with this for a second. You just built a real Windows desktop application, not a web page, not a console window. An actual app with a title bar and a button that does something when you click it, and you did it with one prompt. That's Lesson 4.1 done. Next up is Lesson 4.2, Registration Form. Name, email, a drop-down validation, a proper form that actually works. Links to the lesson page, the Kindle book, and the full playlist are all below. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in 4.2.